Okay, so you're gonna come to my webpage. You're gonna need for this assignment the multiplication table. Okay, and the purpose of this assignment is not to use the table, but to actually do the prime factorization. So we're gonna open the worksheet, and we're gonna go ahead and work on a couple of problems. Which one do you want to work first with? Pick a hard one. 126. Okay, so we have 126. Okay, and what we need to do with 126 is get the numbers that you can multiply to get 126. Now 126 is a tricky one because it's not on the multiplication table. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, since it's not there, and you can, oh, actually it is there. Okay, 126, what are the numbers that we have? We go straight ahead and it's 9 and it's 14. Okay, so 126, you're gonna go ahead and multiply 9 times 14. And then if you come over here and we find 9, we notice that 9, you can multiply 3 and 3. Okay? And if we will go back and try to find 14, there's a 14 right there, and you multiply 7 and 2. Do you see that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're going to have 2 times 7. Okay? Now, once you reach this point, you cannot go any further. You cannot do anything with 3 because it's a prime number. You just multiply it by 1, and we're not gonna write 1. You cannot multiply 2 by anything but 1, 2, and 7 is the same thing. Okay, are you following me? Mm-hmm. So on that one we have the prime factors, meaning we cannot go any smaller. Okay, and we're just gonna circle them. Okay, now to come up back here to the problem and write the answer, it's asking for the prime factors in exponent form. Okay. For exponents, all that you need to do is, first of all, you're going to go ahead and list the numbers that you have. You have a 2, you have a 3, and you have a 7, right? And now we need to go ahead and in the little number on top, and it has to be on top, you need to tell me how many you have of each. How many 2's do you have?
1.
Just 1, right? So you're going to put a 1. How many 3's do you have?
1.
No.
2.
2, okay. And how many 7's do you have?
1.
1, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, and that numbers, if you multiply it, it's gonna be 126. Okay, hold on, I need to make this a little bit bigger so we can fit it in there. 126. So that's 126 prime factors. Okay, you want to do one more?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a question.
Okay.
Where did you find that number on the top?
126.
Did you put it in the paper?
It's right here. You pointed to it. Okay. So this problem right here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right here. This is the answer right there that you're going to put, because those are the exponents, and the exponents are the number of numbers that you have. How many 2's do you have? 1. Mm-hmm. How many 3's do you have? 2. How many 7's do you have? 1. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, so I'm going to get you to pick one more. Don't make it that hard, make it a little bit smaller number. Okay,
12. This one.
Not that small.
The big one.
How about 32? Okay. Okay, so if you have 32, we're going to look at the table, and we're going to find 32 on the table. So you're going to go ahead and look on the table and look at here. I have 32, and you have 8, and you have 4, okay? Mm-hmm. So you're going to come back here, and you're going to write from the table. You're going to go 8, and you're going to get 4. If you multiply 8 and 4 together, you get 32, okay? Mm-hmm. Now we need to go ahead and find smaller numbers, okay? But you never go all the way to 1, though, okay? So for 8, you have 1 here, and that won't work. So let's see if we can find another combination here. Do you find another combination for 8?
Which one? 8?
8.
Here.
Here, right? So you're going to write 4 and 2, right? So you're going to come back over here, 2 and 4. Okay? And then let's see if we can have another thing for 4. Because you notice you have a 4 over here and a 4 over there, okay? I'm going to have to make it smaller, but you can still see it, right? Okay, so For 4, how can we break up 4? Not the 1. So we're not going to pick this one. We're going to have to find another one. What times what is 4?
1.
No, not 1. Do you see this one over here? You're going to grab 2
2
times
2.
2 to get 4, okay? Okay, so you're going to grab 2 and 2 over here, and 2 and 2 over here. So tell me, how many 2's do you have in there? Let's circle them. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 2's do you have?
5.
2 to the, okay? And the answer is you're going to have 5 2's multiplied together and gives you 32, okay? Now, what this over here means, okay? Just so you know, okay? It means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 32, okay? Now, let's go and check the work, okay, guys? So to check your work, you're going to go to the prime factors calculator. And first of all, we just made 32. And if you look over here, and remember, you go back to the assignment, you need to put an exponent form. The exponent form is 2 to the power of 5, okay?
Oh, not, no, that's only the answer?
The answer is 2 to the power of 5, yes.
Oh.
So 2, which means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 32, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you get into a habit, though, of putting equals 32, because that way you know it. And don't worry, it's already spelled out for you. Right here in the corner is 50, 126. Let's check 126 right now before we turn the video off, okay? So always check your work, because if you're wrong, you can come and ask me, okay? 126, and we got 2 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 2 times 7 to the power of 1 as the answer, okay? And if you get it wrong, it will show you how to do it, okay? And sometimes it will show you different combinations. We didn't use 2 and 63. We used 9 and 14, okay? So there's several ways to do it, okay? If you have any questions, let me know.
Okay.
Goodbye.